What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. Hope everybody's doing well. Last day of the month, November 30th. We're starting to break out as we've been anticipating here on the channel. Love to see it. So currently we're sitting about 17K, up 2.25 on the day. Sitting market cap 324 billion. And the 24-hour volume is 25.67 billion. Let's hop straight into the chart. So as you can see, we bounced off our wave 2 pullback zone. And we started to break out. I said if we can come up and break this high of about 16.7K, more likelihood you're going to push up in a wave 3, which is all the way up at 18K. Looks like we're already starting to do that. So far, you can basically count a 3-wave move. There we go. In my opinion, here's a wave 1. Oh, what the hell just happened? Here's a wave 1, here's a wave 2 pullback, here's a wave 3, and then you look for a wave 4 and a final wave 5. Now, potentially, a wave 3 can end at the 1 extension, so potentially it could be a short wave 3, and then you'd see a wave 4 pullback and a wave 5, and we may not push all the way up to 18.3 to 20.7K. The minimum target is the 0.382, which is at 17.6K. So we may just push up to that level before rolling over. You know, wave 2 minimum target, 17.6, come down in the wave 3. So just be very cautious of that. Currently, we're in a long trade. I gave a signal in the Discord at 10 USD per month. And that's one of my take profit levels, 17.6. So that's what I'm looking at right now, is that we've pushed up. Remember, micro counting can be inaccurate. A wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3. And then you'd look for a wave 4. So if we take our fib retracement, actually got to do it from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of the wave. Oh, what the? Come on, Jax. Bottom of wave 2 to the top of the wave 3. Oh, that. Okay, there we go. Just going to take this out. And you'd be looking for a retracement in between the 0.382, the 0.5. We've already dropped below the 0.236, which is the minimum target. So in between 16.8 and 16.7, we've already come down to 16.8 for a wave 4 pullback, and then pushing up in that final wave 5 that could take you up to that 17.6K level. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Unless what we're looking at here is an extended wave 3, where we push up in a wave 1, you see a wave 2 pullback, and then you'd push up in a wave 3, 4, 5 just to complete that wave 3. That is a possibility, and still push up in between 18.3 and 20K. So just keep that in mind. It really depends how hard we get rejected by 17.6 if we come all the way back down and start to break below the 0.786, which is untypical of a wave 2 pullback. Potentially the wave 2 could be complete here at 17.6. We'll have to see how it plays out. Looking at our next chart here, on the 4-hour time frame, we have this downsloping resistance from this large falling wedge pattern. As you can see here, we are having the bullish cross, about to print the bullish cross of the EMAs. So I think it's quite likely that we push up to the resistance of the falling wedge, which is at about 17.1, 17.3 if we just push straight up from here. But I think we might see a fake out, just as we did right here. I mentioned in yesterday's video, where we fake out, we push up to, 17.6, possibly 18K, 18.5K, get rejected, come back down. That's what I'm anticipating for the price of BTC, as we are seeing a little bit of a rally that we've been calling for here on the channel. So looking at the daily time frame, currently we're finding resistance at the 20 EMA. So if we can break back above it, then I would expect you to push up to the 55, which is at about 18.1K. And as I mentioned, you do have some resistance here at 17.6. If we scroll back, you can see all the support in this area. Now flip this resistance, but not that much trading volume. Your next major level of trading volume is up at about 18.7 to about 18.9. So there's definitely a possibility of pushing back up to those levels, and then getting rejected and coming back down, in my opinion, to 10 to 12K. Not financial advice, as I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. Looking at the NDQ, pretty funny that the NDQ is dropping and Bitcoin is pumping, because usually they're correlated to move together. We've been watching this inverse head and shoulders. Once again, we've fallen underneath the neckline, but Bitcoin is breaking out, so that's interesting to see. So we'll have to see if this pattern plays out, or if we simply roll over for the NDQ 100. All right, gang. So our predictions have been playing out to a T. Recently locked in some juicy gains on a BTC short and now in some juicy profits on a BTC long. If you sign up to Bybit or BitGet, make your first deposit, email me your sign up email. Free access to all chat rooms in the Discord. Over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. Currently we are in a BTC long, which is in profits. It's only $10 a month. And it charges you at the beginning of the month. So the first day is tomorrow. So if you'd like to, you can try it out. Might as well, right? Cost of a Big Mac. Try it out. See how you like it. If you don't like it, you can leave. If you like it, then welcome to the clan. All right, gang. That's it for this one. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.